because my friend suffered with mental health like really bad, and that was one of our favourite songs together. And she's going through recovery right now, so this song is just towards it.
Wow, Rob. That's it. Well done, Ruby. Zoe, what did you think?
That song means a lot to me as well, and you literally, I have to stop myself from crying right now. I didn't write anything down, I couldn't take my eyes off you, it was so captivating. Your tone is so pretty, it's so special and unique. The little slides you do were just so effortless and pretty. There's nothing else I can say, Rube, because I didn't write anything down. I'm like hell, I'm useless with the script, but honestly, that was absolutely phenomenal. Well done.
Kelly?
Oh, I absolutely love your voice. I really do. I can't wait for after the competition when you start recording so I can listen to you outside of the competition, because you've just got such an amazing voice. It was a perfect vocal. If somebody had played that, I would have, on the radio, I would have assumed that you were already very established, because it was that perfect. And I would be very surprised if there are not big things in your future with regards to your voice, because you are definitely very, very special. And I think your friend is incredibly lucky to have someone like you. I wish my friends would sing to me when I was sad. And to sing that beautifully, and to sing that emotionally, and to pour everything you have into that performance for your friend, I thought that was absolutely incredible. And you should just be so proud of yourself, you really should. Well done.
Yeah, Ruby, look, we've got to remember you're 13, all right? You're 13 years of age, you're absolutely tiny for a 13-year-old, you're so dirty. and this very mature and like very experienced sound comes out of your mouth. And you shouldn't be able to have that sort of like texture in your voice at that age, you know, being so young. And it really did. And I want to say this because when I was watching that then, it was so simple, it was perfect for this week. It's exactly what, I know, I don't know about the girls, but I was expecting from this week in terms of the vulnerability and connection, the message, everything was perfect for the theme. But I was looking around and I was looking at some of the youngsters we've had come through over the last seasons. Gracie, you know, Ellie, who's performing tonight, Amberine, all these lovely, amazing kid singers that we've had, and you are there with them, 100%. You are in that category, 1,000,000,000%. And when Kelly said about opportunities in that, 100%. I mean, your voice sells. I mentioned this to Phoenix earlier on. It sells in what sells now. Like, you've got this very current, unique individual sound, and to have that at such a young part of your career, you know, this is all new to you. You came and watched Jessica one of the seasons, and he's like, oh, I'm gonna try out for it. And to see you up there now doing what you're doing, honestly, believe in it, focus, because we're halfway now. I want you to do really, really well in this, but it's only gonna happen if you pull it out to the bag every week, you know? That was pulling it out to the bag. You should be really, really proud of what you've done tonight. Especially with the 2 weeks where we've pushed out, the last 2 weeks I've been pushing you with your voice and challenging you and chucking loads on you to really put that pressure there. And you know, it's hit us a little bit. This is you coming back with, boom, this is why I'm here. This is why I'm here, because I can do this. You should be proud of what you've just done with it. All right, well done.